This video will overview the steps to pre-configure a generic camera. Pre-configuration compatible cameras come equipped with an RJ45 configuration cable pre-installed for users who want to configure the camera settings before installing the camera. The RJ45 connector is accessible through the small flap shown here. This allows for easy configuration before unpacking the camera. It is recommended not to leave the camera connected during pre-configuration beyond the time and within the ambient temperature shown on the box. Locate and open the flap shown here. It will be labeled Config. Next, connect a network cable to the RJ45 plug on the configuration cable. The network cable must provide power over Ethernet to power the camera during configuration. Connect the camera using a video management software application, the Camera Configuration Tool software, or the camera's web browser interface to configure the camera settings. Once the configuration changes have been made, unplug the network cable. Be careful when handling the camera after configuring it inside the packaging. The camera may be hot when handling or removing it from the packaging immediately after in-box configuration.